What are your hobbies, Indrajit?
Oh, my hobby is painting.
Wow. I'm
Yes.
jealous.
Oh,
I am
really? So
jealous.
you can't paint? You can't paint?
I can barely write my name nicely.
Oh my God. You are really
It
fantastic.
is
You are really funny.
pitiful, pitiful.
Oh,
So sad.
great, great, great.
But I can sing.
Actually,
That's my artistic talent. I can sing very well.
yes, yes, exactly. You are unique
Yes, I have
while you
something.
say something. And I notice your profile video that you really explain whatever you say. You can explain it with your
Oh, thank you. Yes.
sign language. So it is really great to us because some actually we are not non-natives. We are non-native speakers, so
Mhm.
that's why we sometimes we can't understand. But your explanation and showing your body language is great.
Thank you.
So
I
and I want to
Go ahead.
yeah, I want to mention that if you mute and you can sign, you can show your sign language, and all over all the people can understand your
Oh,
language. What you going to say?
thank you. I
I'm totally impressed
Thank you.
with your profile video.
I work with students that have disabilities,
Oh,
and
great! So it
I
was
teach
really
them. I
opportunity.
teach them communication.
Oh,
So we do a lot
okay.
of body language
Oh, I
all day
see. So it
long.
is really
Yes.
you had a great job
Yes. Thank
during
you.
that
Thank you. I love it.
because because some people can get that opportunity to teach them
Hmm.
because they are very challenging.
They can be challenging, yes, but so much fun. So fun to learn with.
And yeah, and some when you are accustomed to them,
Mhm.
then whenever you uh, come to in front of them and they just are laughing out, right?
Yes.
They are really happy to see
Yes.
you.
We create strong relationships. Yes.
Yeah, that is the jewelness. I mean,
Yes. Yes. It is very rewarding. I love it. I
yes,
do love it. Very
and
tiring,
a
but
teacher, yes, and a teacher want that reward
yes, it's
virtually.
nice to see progress. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. To communicate with them, yes, exactly. I totally agree with
Yes.
you.
Yes.
What do you do beside teaching?
Um, in term that is my job is teaching, but for fun, what do I do for fun? I like to take no time. I
Oh, yes, exactly. You are so
Yes, I
busy.
like to go hiking with my dogs. I go hiking a lot,
Oh,
long walks. And
okay.
sing. I like to sing for fun.
Oh, wow,
Yes.
great. So it is really another hobby.
Yes, it is. Yes. Yeah. And I just learned embroidery. Embroidery.
Embroidery
I will
means?
show you a picture. You use yarn and you can make pictures with it. Here, I will share my screen with you so you can see. This is kind of like art, embroidery.
Oh, wow. So it is really awesome, and it is really greater than my
Oh,
painting.
thank you. Thank you. I
Really.
bet your paintings are very good.
And next time I will show
Yes,
you.
please
Oh,
do.
madam, my time is running out, madam. It was really lovely to
Yes, it
meet
was
you,
great to meet you
and
as well.
yeah, and I will make another reservation with you, and we'll have a
Oh,
great
very
chat.
good. That makes me happy. I look forward to speaking with
Yeah,
you.
yes, obviously, and me
Very
too.
good. All right. I will see you soon then.
Thank you. Stay, stay
Yes,
safe, stay
you too.
happy.
Good night.
Soon.
Go to
Bye.
sleep.
Bye.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.